I have been in Microsoft for 10 years, and I hope to retire in Microsoft. It's an amazing company to work for. If you're thinking about Microsoft as a venture option for you, I would strongly encourage it for you. Can you get in Microsoft? The answer is yes. Show your passion. Show your attitude. Show your willingness to learn and grow. That's what Microsoft needs. That's what Microsoft desires. I speak 4 languages: English, Hindi, Punjabi, and a little bit of Japanese. I have a minor in Japanese from university. I have forgotten a lot of it because I don't get to practice anymore. But I do remember a little bit here and there. I specialize in teaching and mentoring. In Microsoft, that's one thing I focus on heavily. Mentoring new hires. Helping my colleagues. This is what I get joy out of. Teaching technology. Technology is nice, it's fun, it's challenging for me, but that's not the joy. That's not what keeps me passionate about my job. It is the teaching and the mentoring. When I see a customer that I've been working with for 4 or 5 years go from where I met them when they couldn't even know how to do the basic DBA activities to suddenly they are thinking on the same level as I'm thinking on how to manage their infrastructure, that makes me happy. And that's what I want to get to is, hey, I got you enabled. I got you doing everything you need to do. Go. I'm done. Let's move to the next big challenge. That's what I was trying to get to. My focus at Microsoft was data. Then I had to reinvent myself to do analytics. And now I'm in the process of reinventing myself to add AI to my portfolio. I have a master's in information systems where I studied artificial intelligence, but that was 8 years ago. And since then, I haven't had the opportunity to practice it or keep up with it. But now with the world that's changing, I'm finding I have to reinvent myself for AI in addition to analytics and data. I cannot just fix myself on one component anymore. I have to think about data, I have to think about AI, and I have to think about analytics. That's what's going to keep me employable and engaged in Microsoft. I'm Kendall's third degree. My passion is my family. My family comes in almost everything I do first. After that comes my other hobbies, which is I like playing Go. I'm a Japanese culture nut, and I practice Kendo, what I used to. Other than that, health, try to stay at least healthy, but it can be challenging for my work-life balance. So before I talk about why should you learn Power